Today I'm going to share with you how to make a special drink. We are going to make UBE milkshake. What is a milkshake? Well, milkshake is different from smoothies and frappe in that it uses ice cream. But for today's recipe, I am going to share with you two different ways of making it. One is the premium UBE milkshake using ice cream, and the other is a budget-friendly UBE milkshake without the need for ice cream. For the ingredients to start the show is the 100% purple sweet potato powder. This gives you the color, the taste, and the texture. And I'm going to mix it with purple sweet potato syrup, which gives you the taste and sweetener. And then we are going to use condensed milk. This is for no ice cream recipe. We are going to use fresh milk, and if you prefer to use evaporated milk, you can also use evaporated milk. But in some countries, evaporated milk is actually more expensive than fresh milk. So take your pick, evaporated milk or any milk of choice. And I have already made my whipped cream here just to top up my milkshake. Usually milkshake do not have whipped cream on top, but for today, because I'd like it to look spectacular, so I'm going to add some whipped cream on top of my milkshake. For the recipes, I'm going to make it in 16 ounces. So let's start with the first one, which is using the ice cream. Into a blender, I'm going to put 8 ounces or 1 full cup of milk of choice. And I have here 1 cup of ice cream, equivalent to about 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. You don't want it to be any other flavor than vanilla because you don't want it to mix with the UBE. Okay, so 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream there, 2 teaspoons of this beautiful powder. Add 2 pumps or 15 ml of my purple potato syrup, and we are going to blend. Now usually for a milkshake, because you put ice cream, you don't need to add ice into it, but if you'd like to, if your ice cream is not a lot, you can also put some crushed ice there. And the icing on the cake, literally, it is whipped cream. Sprinkles of purple powder. And we have our first version of UBE milkshake using ice cream. For our second drink, it is the budget-friendly UBE milkshake. This time, I am going to add ice into my drink, so about 2/3 cup full. Add the ice, and we are also going to use the same amount of my purple sweet potato powder. We're going to add 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of my purple powder there, UBE syrup, so 2 pumps there, 2 ounces of condensed milk. If this is too sweet, you can always adjust. 2 ounces of milk. Make sure you blend it really well so that the ice is fully melted. You don't want it to be icy because this is a milkshake. Let me try the one without the ice cream. We made our own ice cream. This is perfect if you don't have chiller, refrigerator, because all you need really is milk. And of course, that UBE flavor here. Wow, it tastes so much like UBE. I would think this is a little bit too sweet for me because we used 2 ounces of condensed milk, but this is the commercial recipe. You can make it less sweet if you'd like to. So it is actually very, very good. Tastes just like UBE. And now the one where we use vanilla ice cream. This is less icy. Well, this one tastes like the ice cream. The taste of the ube is just a hint, whereas this one, the taste of the ube is really, really more standing out. Which one is my preference? I must say I prefer this homemade ice cream ube milkshake. Anyway, I would like you to give these recipes a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.